Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, let's learn how to paint an ombre lips lip art for a macro photo like this one. Start by applying some dark purple lipstick to the outer part of your lips, and while I'm applying it, I'll quickly tell you that the quality of this video is slightly lower than usual because this was the last episode that I filmed while being stuck abroad last year, and I was actually hesitant to post it, but then I thought that everything was clearly visible, so it deserved to be seen. After you apply the purple lipstick, blend it in slightly for the next color. And the next color is going to be the blue teal, which you apply, and once again you blend the border between the purple and the blue and the empty space. And in the empty space you're going to apply the most adventurous lipstick, the slime green one, so you are going to paint the rest of your lips, and once again blend the border between the green and the blue teal. Now you're almost done, but since it's a macro photo, every little detail is clearly visible, so you might want to carve your lips with foundation and a tapered brush. Please ignore the fact that my foundation is way lighter than my body because this was right after I got tanned and right before I could buy a new foundation. Then blend the foundation so that you don't have this visible line. And if you still have a couple of mistakes left, just use a very thin brush and the dark purple lipstick again. Here is the final result. The photo is linked below. Check out my other tutorials, and thank you very much for watching. Bye bye, loves!